Yeah, so I'm rolling stock. Yeah, I had to do something about that. So I picked up this Rev 9 high flow catback exhaust. I'm gonna put it together myself, no problem. And I got up under the car and I realized this cotton picking, I couldn't do it myself. I had to do it. That's what we had to do. Had to cut it off. There was no way I was gonna do it myself, as simple as it was. But we got it on. Everything was good. Fitment, no alignment issues. Everything was everything. Yeah. Yeah, got that Rev 9, that Rev 9 axle back, baby. Getting it. First is that flyby. Yeah, stay tuned for my flyby. Coming to a screen near you. What we sitting on? Oh, before I forget, yeah, we got them 22-inch Cavallos. Yeah, these them Cavallos. You understands me? Yeah. (2017) Infiniti Q50 Sport. Sitting on 22-inch Cavallos. A little something for the 2023. We still not doing too bad.